Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Every time I travel, I get bummed out because I can't carry everything, especially my coffee. This awesome little cup holder from riemot is going to solve that problem so that I can be ready to have my beverages with me. This cup holder fits securely over your suitcase handle. All you have to do is slide it down the front, and in front it stays securely in place with Velcro. There are two cup holders as well as a spot where you could put your phone or something else in the front pocket. The material on this is a really nice coated canvas, so you know that even if you spill on it, it's not going to become super watered down, but will repel the water. I really like that the cup holders are really snug so that everything will stay in place. Even when testing it out and moving my luggage around or tilting it forward, the cups did not move at all. It's so awesome because I look forward to traveling and being able to have my beverages with me. There's one for water, one for my coffee, or if you're traveling with someone else, you may want to carry theirs, especially for your little ones. This cup holder is definitely going to really bring me a valuable service by allowing me to have my beverages with me, and I look forward to using it when I travel. But that's just my point of view.